Cert and Indices Practice Exam Question 23. A shed has dimensions in meters of height of square root of 5, width of square root of 6, and the length of 9 divided by square root of 2. Because we're trying to find the volume, we know that we need to multiply these three together. Width times length times height. So the first thing I need to do is I'm just going to multiply them together and write it. So I've got my height, so I've got my width of square root of 6, I've got my length of 9 over square root of 2, and I've got my height of square root of 5. So the first thing I'm going to do is I just want to get rid of this the square root on the bottom, so I will just fix it up by timesing it by square root of 2 and timesing my top by square root of 2. That gives me 9 square root of 2 over 2. Now the next thing I think about here is I've got square root of 6 times square root of 5. 5 times 6 is 30. So I always think that when I'm timesing, the fact that it is square root of 30 is the same as square root of 30 over 1. So the next step is I'm just going to times my numerators together. So I'm going to have 9, and square root of 2 times square root of 30 is square root of 60 divided by 2. So I need to look at my factors of 60. So I'm just going to skip count down the page. So 2 squared is 4. I do know 4 is a factor of 60, but I want to see if I have anything higher. 3 squared is 9. 4 squared is 16. 5 squared is 25. 6 squared is 36. So I don't. So I'm just going to use my 4. So I know 4 times 15 is 60, so I can rewrite that question by going 9 square root of 4 square root of 15. Now, square root of 4 is 2, so 2 times 19 is 18, square root of 15, and we're dividing it by 2. If I go 18 divided by 2, that gives me 9. 9 square root of 15.